Yeah, I've got to ask this question. It's driving me crazy. Every year, it's the same thing. We have gutter helmet on most of our gutters. And guess what? Gutter helmet gives us these incredible icicles. You can see gutter helmet, no gutter helmet, no icicles. Gutter helmet, more icicles. I've had to put sand down. This is all ice coated down here. It's just a big sheet of ice. And you can hear it now, and you can kind of see where it's been dropping down all night long. 12 inches of snow. We're the only people in the development that I'm aware of that have gutter helmet, and yet we have icicles and no one else does. I look forward to anybody's comments trying to give me an idea of what's causing it and what we can do about it, and if other people with gutter helmet have the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to your comments.